If you are looking to start, run, and scale your credit restoration business, then this video is definitely for you. Now listen, I'm going to show you in this video how you can get all 12 of my top marketing and growth products along with a free website, along with my #1 class, which is called the Credit Repair Mastery Class. And also I'm going to show you how to get a free ticket to my upcoming course, the YouTube Ad Lead Generation System. I'm going to show you all of that right now, so you want to stay and watch this video all the way through the end. All right, so let me show you. I'm so excited to introduce to you guys our promotion that we're having for the Client Dispute Manager yearly plan. Now this is how you will be able to get all of those products free when I show you our yearly plan promotion for a limited time only. Now let me show you what I'm talking about. Now one of the things I'm going to do right here is, before I show you all the products that you get for free with the yearly plan, I'm going to first take you over to my active campaign list. Now, the reason why I'm showing you this, you're probably wondering, why are you showing me this, Mark? Because I'm going to show you that when you become a yearly plan member from our promotion, you will get a free ticket to my new YouTube Ad Lead Generation class that's coming up. It's a very private class. I'm not taking a lot of students for this class because I can't show everybody this strategy. So if you already, I think 10 or 11 of you guys already purchased our promotion for this weekend, so you already got your ticket, frontline ticket, to be taught. Now that's 10 to 11 people already took advantage of this promotion. Now again, like I said, I'm keeping this class very small. Everyone can't get in this class. I don't care how much money you throw at me. Everyone can't get in this class. This class is valued at $299. It's a 2-day class. Well, I'll teach you how to get leads just like I'm about to show you right now. Again, this is a private group teaching. I won't let everyone in, but when you become a yearly plan member today, you take advantage of this promotion, you will get access to my VIP class when it becomes available. So let me show you something right now. All right, so it's called In Discovery. I started this campaign less than 7 days ago. And so far, I have 57 total contacts. So 57 total leads. Okay, so far, 57 total leads. So that means that I started this ad campaign less than 7 days ago, and I already got 57 total leads. Now, these are people who have leads on YouTube. These are people who are searching for what we are looking for. We're not talking about Facebook traffic. That's totally different. YouTube traffic is more searched and more targeted. Now let's go over to my AdWords account, and I'm going to show you also. Let's go over there. So this is my AdWords account. Let's click here. So as you can see right here, Discovery Search Credit Bureau Hate This Letter. That's the title of my video. I'm running $5 a day, as you can see here. If you go over here, YouTube already showed my ad 13,000 times, and I've only paid $31. I paid $31 for 57 leads, 57 highly targeted leads. Now we're not talking about junk leads from Facebook. We're talking about 57 total high target leads. Now, this class you're going to get for absolutely free when you become a yearly plan member today. I'm going to show you exactly step by step on how I did this, on how I set this ad up in order to get 57 leads for only $31. $31 is a night out, a dinner out with you and a loved one, right? That's no money. And just imagine if you put $200, $300. These are 57 leads that's coming into your pipeline. By the time this campaign is over, I let it run for a month. By the time the campaign is over, we're looking at anywhere 100 and 150 leads for about $150. Because remember, I'm only running $5 a day. So I'm showing this to you to show to you that this system that I'm going to teach to a small group of people is very powerful. Now, let's get into how you're going to get all of my products for free when you become a yearly plan member. And again, this promotion is only running for a limited time. So let's go ahead and go to, let me go right here. So right here is, let me show you what you're going to get. Okay. So what you're going to get, first of all, we're going to get one free website. I'm going to give you one free website. So you're going to be able to pick from any of these websites right here that we have. These websites are absolutely beautiful and stunning. Okay. These are absolutely beautiful websites. Let me click into one of them. So as you can see, there are $347 alone. So if you was to purchase this website by itself, you would pay $347 by itself. If you was to purchase my YouTube ad sales lead generation system course, you would pay $299 for 2 days with me, 4 hours a day. That's how long the class is. Let's go ahead and take a look at this here. Let's see what this website looks like. Very professional, very beautiful website. Look at this thing right here. Look at this baby. Look at this website. We're going to give this website to you for absolutely free when you become a yearly plan member. Okay, look at this thing here. Everything you need right here. Look at this. How it works. About, Q&A, education, prices, contact us. Client login, affiliate login. Learn more, free consultation, new credit. Look at this. It's so beautiful. And the great thing about it is that we install the website for you. That's the beautiful thing about it. As soon as you become a yearly plan member, we're going to install the website for you. Give us 3 to 5 days to install the website. You get up to 5 text changes. You can make any changes after the 5 text changes. If you want changes to the color, you want changes to the image, you want changes to your text, you would have to pay our webmaster a small little amount of investment for every hour for your change. But we're going to give that to you for free. We're going to install the website in there for free for you. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and talk about some of the other gifts that you get. All right. You're going to get the Credit Repair Mastery class. Now, over 1,000 people have been through the Credit Repair Mastery class already. Okay, 1,000. They've graduated and they got their certificate of mastery. So you're going to get that free. That's $99 value. Okay. Now here's the great thing with the yearly plan. The yearly plan, once you make the one-time promotional payment, there's no more payments for an entire year. There's no more payments for entire year, and you get unlimited everything in the software. Now, what I mean unlimited everything in the software, I mean you get unlimited everything, right? You get unlimited credit analysis. You get unlimited what do you call it? The Smart Interviewer, where the software interviews your customer for you. And not only that, when LetterStream becomes available, where it prints your letters for you, you will have access to LetterStream. Now we're integrating with LetterStream through our software, so you will get access to LetterStream. This is a game changer. LetterStream is absolutely powerful. Of course, you have to pay for your own letters and you have to open up your LetterStream account, but you still get access to this powerful feature, which is called LetterStream. Okay, so again, like I said, you get unlimited everything. And then here's the kicker. This is all the products you get for absolutely free when you become a yearly plan member. We got a special promotion, a special price that we are running today. Okay, so the Ultimate Business Growth Bundle, here's what you get. 12 products. You get Traffic Secrets Online Event. This is $97. This is a very powerful event. You get the Credit Repair Masterclass, $97. It's online, on demand, 24/7. Train when you want. Forget about every other class. It's only $97. Don't spend any more money. Don't spend $500, $600, $800, $2,000, $3,000 for any type of credit repair class. This is all you know. This is all you need. You get my powerful credit repair marketing event. This is valued at $297 right here, as you can see. This is the event that I had in Vegas this week. I mean, not this week. In February, you get my Facebook automation lead generation class. That's valued at $169. You get my big affiliate package valued at $149. Okay, you get Roadmap to Six Figures. That's 2019. That's a value at $197. That's another powerful marketing event that I had. You get my Facebook Business Optimization Blueprint. This is where I show you how to get 10,000 likes on your Facebook business page and how to optimize your Facebook business page for Facebook search. This is valued at $97. You get my lead generation email nurturing campaign where you get pre-templated emails. That's valued at $97. My advanced dispute letter system, $99. Okay, you get my secret 5-hour interview where I have an interview with a young lady for 5 hours. I'm teaching her step by step on how to start and run a credit repair business. This interview is extremely powerful. That's valued at $97. You get the credit repair business mastery class, $97. You get the online dispute summit. Look at that online dispute summit replay. That's valued at $149. Look at this. The total value, free courses, $1,642. The total value for the yearly plan is $2,338. Grand total of $4,000. And that's what you would pay if you didn't take advantage of this promotion today. That's what you would pay normally. Okay, but today you get everything for $997. Okay, like I said, plus one free ticket to my upcoming YouTube ad sales systems class, which is very powerful. Again, this is a VIP class. Only a certain amount of people are going to be able to attend this class. This class, this free ticket, is only for this promotion, guys. Some of you guys who are paid for the yearly plan a long time ago, I'm so sorry. It does not apply to you guys if you paid for the yearly plan before. This is only for the promotion today, the $997 promotion for today only. Okay, and that's $997. So what you're gonna do right now, this is how you can reach out to us. You can call us at this number right here. This is where you can call us. You can email us at support@startupcreditrepairbusiness.com. All right. You can reach us on the Facebook. You can message us there. You can also log into the software and send a support ticket. You can also go to startupcreditrepairbusiness.com and start chatting with us. Listen, this promotion is only going to last for 24 hours. That's it. 24 hours. And once that expires, I'm sorry, I cannot honor that. You have $4,000 worth of value, $997. Take advantage of that right now. Look at it as a tax write-off before the end of this year. Do you want to give your money to Uncle Sam, or do you want to invest your money into your business, right? Because if you're doing well in your business, then Uncle Sam is going to want their money. So why not get the tax write-off for a business expense, for investment? And not only that, if you're struggling with income, then you can always check out PayPal credit. If your credit score is okay, you can get approved for PayPal credit and just let us know, and then we'll send your invoice and you can take care of it through PayPal credit. Again, this is Mark Claiborne. Listen, take advantage of the yearly plan. It's $997. You get all of these gifts for free. You also get a chance to attend my VIP class on how to generate the sales that I just showed you. That was 57 sales, 57 leads. I got their email, I got their phone number, 57 leads for just $31. All I paid was $31 to get 57 leads from YouTube. I will see you on the other side.